everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and we are going to do some cash stuffing for our second account. We, in our last video, had actually just gone through and pulled out how much we were supposed to have for each one, got a little change, because that can always take up some time. And now we actually need to go through and update our envelopes, put the money away. So we have money that goes in a couple of different places. So we have, not in this one. Oh, no, it wasn't that one. All right, so we have in this case, oh no, because I took everything out of there. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot about that. No, now everything goes in here. And I think, yeah. So I redid my little space where I keep my envelopes. And so now everybody's in their own little spot, which I think is lovely. So let's cover our first one, which should be car emergency. Which now I'm like, oh, I don't actually know if that one's in here. I think it is, but let's see. There's security, emergency, house, student loans, debt for house, and debt for credit. It must be in the other one. So let's pull out our other one. Here we go. Oop. Okay. New car. Yep, here they go. It's in the one that's with all my like more house stuff. So we have car emergencies and we have new car, which is exactly what we need. We're going to need to have $10 for car emergencies. So let's see what we have. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 35, 36, 30. Ooh, wait, we had 100. Oh, okay. Ooh, that threw me off. I didn't realize I had $100 in there. Okay, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. We grab a 10 for car emergencies. This is adding up quickly and nicely, especially since I've been having to buy new tires. So dumb. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 49. 149, and let me write that down because I will forget. So August 140, is it 144 or 149? 149. New car. Okay, or no, car emergency. Car emergency. This is just a mess. Okay, car emergency, and then put that away so I don't get confused. Perfect. And we put a little check there so we know it's done. New car gets $5. So we are at 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46. Here's our 5. So that puts us at 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51 for new car. And then we have, do a check there, student loans gets 20. And now I know that this one is in the other one. So I might as well do trash though, because trash goes in this one. Trash has a new envelope, which is the design I didn't like, but it's fine. So we have $30 already in there. It gets 30 more. So I'll actually just put this 10 back and grab this. So it should be at 60, which is exactly what it has. Alright, and we'll put trash away. 60, trash. And then we have student loans, which should be able to be at 20. And now I'm looking at it though, and I'm like, oh, there's a 5 hidden under here. I was like, that's not enough. These ones are not going to be enough, but there's a 5 hidden under there. So we actually are at the right spot. Student loans. Okay, here we go. Oh, I have a running total here. Let's see if that adds up to the right amount though. 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Perfect, 149. And then we are adding another 20, so here's all of that. Now, if I'm talking about I need to make some change, I think I found where I can get a bunch of my change from. All right, let's add these together. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I was gonna say this is not the way I like for that to be. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. 169, which is exactly what it should be. 149 plus 20 equals 169. Perfect, and I will put on this one 169 for student loans. Great. I'm gonna go ahead, since I'm here, and make some change. We'll keep all the 20s because I do have these sinking funds and I'm gonna need change for those. So let me see how much I can get. So that's 20. All right, let me put them over here so I don't get confused. There we go, 20. Another 20. Okay, another 20. Or do I, oh, let me see, let me see what else I have. Because I have some ones here and I'd love to trade that out for, I don't think I have enough for all of that, but I think instead of taking the 5, I can take the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's, and dates. Okay, so this should equal my 169. I think. So there's this one that goes over here and a 20 that goes over here. Okay, there we go. That should equal. So let's count this one up. This should equal 169. Yes, okay. And perfect, okay. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Perfect. Okay. So now we don't have all those extra bills taking up a whole bunch of space, and we've got a little bit of change to start ourselves off with our sinking funds, which will be our next video. And that's helpful. It's so nice having redivided this up because now I don't have to fight with them to make them make sense. And I can put that right here. It really should go on the first page, but that's okay. Alrighty, so let's get this closed up. And I think that is actually, this is messy, and y'all know I hate messy, so let's get this in order before we go. Because we got money kind of just thrown all over the place. I'm so glad I got at least a little bit of change, so that way things will be just a little bit easier. Just a little bit easier as I am, there we go, as I'm getting my money together for my sinking funds. All right, that's it there for our cash stuffing for our second account. And I hope you all are having a great day. I hope you're having a great summer. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.